Alright guys, so if you have not been paying attention to the Xenea wallet airdrop, this is the time that you need to actually pay a rapt attention to it and make sure that you are gathering as many points as you can, and also make sure that you are mining, because it is very important for you to be mining, because even when you are offline you are still mining and earning some points right there. But on this video specifically, we are going to be talking about the new mission that is currently live right now. The mission actually started on the 29th of January 2025, but the mission is about to end on the 30th of March 2024. So we still have a little time to actually complete this Paul protocol mission right here. The campaign is currently live right now. What you need to do right now is to simply go ahead and update your Xenea wallet on your Play Store. Make sure that your own Xenea wallet is currently up to date. Okay, so after that guys, then you have to click over here that we have mission. You click on mission, and coming over here to mission, first of all let's start from here. And over here guys, remember we have our usual daily quiz. So you click on this daily quiz, then you make sure you answered your quiz correctly. You click on start quiz right now, then you go ahead and select the right answer. Remember, always all the right answers are posted right here on our Telegram account. So every single day we post the correct answer on our Telegram, so remember to use the link on the video description to get started. So this is the right answer right now. You click on submit, and right now guys, you are going to be giving your reward. You need to make sure that you're doing it every day so that you keep on earning. So you click on get more gems right now. So once you are done with that, we have other missions right here, but let's be talking specifically about this one called Spore Protocol. This is the latest update right now, and you need to make sure that you are doing this, because not doing this may likely not allow you to earn a very good reward. Okay, so over here guys, you can see we have a total of 0 gems right here, and over here let's go ahead and of course complete this task right here, starting from the quiz. Okay, right now we go ahead and click on start quiz right now. Over here right now you can see we have from 1 answer till 15. All right, so we need to give 15 answer to 15 question right here, but do not bother yourself, because all the answers has been provided already right here on our Telegram. This is the correct answer to all the questions right there that you need to answer before you can be able to proceed successfully. So right now the first answer is of course a Web3 hub for solution and education. So we come over here right now, we select it, then we click on submit. So right now we will be giving our gems for this. We click on continue. So right now we need to answer the second question. The second question is of course November 2024. So we click on it, November 2024, then we click on submit again. Our bonuses or our gem will be given to us right now. Then we go to the next one, which is the third question, which the answer is game. Okay, you can see the answer right here. Okay, we go ahead and select it right here, then we go ahead and click on submit. Okay, so right now we click on continue one more time, and right now guys, what is the fourth answer? The fourth answer is of course blue and white, and right now guys, we go ahead and select blue and white. Okay, we click on submit, and we'll be given our bonus. Then we click on continue one more time. Right now the fifth answer is what? The fifth answer is 20. So we come over here right now, we select, okay, we select 20 like this, we submit it, then we are going to be giving our gem right now. We are earning 100 gem for each. So right now we click on continue. Alright guys, what is the sixth answer? The sixth answer is of course, the sixth answer is unlimited. Okay, we select unlimited like this. Okay, then we go to the the seventh one right now immediately. Okay, we click on the continue. What is the seventh answer? The seventh answer is global community, and we have to select global community like this. Then we click on submit, and right now we need to answer the 80th question. The 80th question is what? We need to just look for the answer right here, and of course Candy Crush. Okay, we click on Candy Crush, then we click on submit. Right now, what is the 90th answer? You can see how I'm answering it correctly. So right now, what is the 90th answer question? So the 90th answer to the question is of course Web3 solution and education. Again, we click on Web3 solution and education, we click on submit, and right now guys, you need to click on continue one more time. And right now we are going to be answering the 10th question. The 10th question is 2 minutes. Okay, we need to select 2 minutes like this. Okay, you can see how easily I'm doing it. You click on continue right now, and right now we need to go to the 11th question. The 11th question is, okay, we have BCB. Okay, let's answer it consecutively. We have B right here. Okay, we need to answer C for the next one, and we have C right here. We need to answer B for the next one. We answer B like this. Then we have the we are now on the 14th question right now. The answers are A and D to the 14th question. A like this. We go to the next one, which the answer is D. Okay, we have D right this. Okay, so like guys, we are now done with the whole question right now, and we have gotten our reward. Okay, we click on continue. And right guys, you can see we have now gotten 1000 gems in addition to all the ones that we are earning earlier. So we had 15 questions, and on each question we got 100 gems. So 100 times 15 is 1500 plus 1000 gem right here, meaning that we got a total of 2500 gems instantly on this video. Okay, right now we click on get more gem, and over here right now we need to come to over here and claim 500 gem right here, you know, for following them on the X. This one is very simple, and we also have this one following the Telegram. This one is also very simple. We are going to be earning 1000 gem for this, so a total of 15,000 gems is a total of 3,500 gems is what you are going to be earning for completing this Spore protocol mission right here. So that is how simple it is. Okay, so coming over here to mining, you need to make sure your mining is currently on every time. So right now you click on reward right here, and over here on reward you also get some certain reward, you know, for getting to invite people, and of course, you know, this is where it is all being shown, and this is simply what you need to do right now in order for you to earn additional 3,500 gems over here on the Xenea wallet. All right, so that is how simple it is. Let me know what you think on the comment section concerning this update, and do not forget to go right now, update your Xenea wallet, and of course proceed to completing this Spore protocol mission. All right, so this is the simple update that I have for you right now concerning the Xenea wallet. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet, and I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.